Students, now we are going to solve that exercise 3.1 class 9 advancements question number 5 Roman 1. Show that log base b power n a to the power n equal to m by n log base b a, which means students this question log base b n and a to the power n equal to m by n log base b a. We have to solve this one now. Let's have a look how to solve this. Question number 5.1. Now look here student, that 5 Roman 1 LHS means left hand side, and it is given that log base b in a to the power m. Now look after that student, here I am just writing that m then log base b to the power n a. Now look student, the formula is actually log base a m p equal to p then log base a m. This base a equal to this one b to the power m. I repeat again, this base a equal to b to the power n. Here this is the base of logarithm and a. Now look after that, here we'll go for the that m dot. Now log this again we can use the formula like log base 10 a and log base 10 b to the power n. Why? Now look here the reason. Since log n m equal to log base a m but log base a n, this is the formula using here. Here I have bought 10. Log 10 can be bought in the logarithm sum anytime. Nothing wrong. This is we can say that it's a procedure. Now look, next one m dot. So here log base 10 a, and now there log base 10 b n. So here n into log base 10 b. Using the formula again, since log base a m p, so p will be here, so log base a m. Now look after that student, here look now, if I split up now, so m into, if I write here 1 by n, if I split up this one, then log 10 a and there is log 10 b. Now if I go for the multiplication here, there is m by n obviously, and this value is log 10 a and there is log 10 b. Now look after that again, now we can use this one as m by n dot, and there is log b and a. Why? Now look the reason again. Since log n m equal to, there is log base a m and log base a n, using this formula here only. So this is our RHS, this is our RHS. So last line will be here, since LHS equal to RHS, therefore log base b n a to the power m equal to that m by n log b base b a. Hence proved or showed, whatever, hence proved or showed. This is 5a over.